Hey guys, it's Kevin from Rock-A-Feller Cigars, TPE 2021. How are you? We came all the way down here from New York to offer a great selection of cigars for you guys today. It's been a rough, challenging last 2 years, but we want to be here to show everybody, despite the bottleneck and the chains that's been getting screwed up, all the supply chains, that we're here to offer you a tremendous of cigars. So let's show you what they are. So over here we have our Rock-A-Feller Gold Series from our vintage line. It's our high-end cigar. It's a San Andreas, Ometepe, Jalapa, and Esteli, all Nicaraguan fillers. Down here we have our signature Lancero, which is San Andreas Maduro, Ometepe, Jalapa, and Esteli. Over here we have it's an open, all the cigars are gone. We did a special edition with Aganorsa called Art of Magic, as the boxes are falling. It was all done, the artwork was done by Jessy Flores. As you can see, his signature here, and the signatures, there were only 200 boxes, they were very limited. We have another one coming out soon called Art of Magic 2, which will be hitting the market within the next 2 to 3 months. Another design by Jessy Flores. Over here, we have a little liquor collection from Rock-A-Feller over the years. And on the bottom, we have our signature core line, which is Connecticut, Maduro, and Habano. All out of Nicaragua, out of American Caribbean. And over here is our Dominican Blue by Victor de la Cruz out of Tabacalera LNV. And that's it, guys. Have a great trip. Have a great time. Good to see everybody.
Cards are going to go down. Back up. We even get it. Now we get the show really started. We'll see the illusion of something bending. Get that even crazier right here. I'm going right back to normal. Little twist. That's bad. More. Right here. For that close-up,
Pretty cool.